Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about Icon, tools, and Lyle. So let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, we got the Astro 3/8 drive head and a 1/4 inch body. It's a long one. Also got the anti-slip professional Icon wrenches. I guess that's the part number, I'm not sure. Lifetime guarantee. 14-piece set. And look here. Now, I'm not going to talk about the batteries in this video, but I ordered these, the Ratchet and this, at the same time. The Ratchet came in like a pouch, a bag. Like a, I don't know what you call them. A padded pouch, you know, from Amazon. Now, and I ordered batteries for, don't get dizzy, my welding helmet's up there. See them? Up there? Okay. Now, don't get dizzy again. Oh, you see we moved the TV over there. I don't know if I mentioned that. Anyway, batteries. You know, like watch batteries or batteries that goes in your key fob for your car. Came in this box. This big, huge box. I mean, it's not a huge box, but for what was in it, it's a huge box. All this for this. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? All that big old box just for that. That's about stupid. Anyway, these CR 2450 6-pack on Amazon was $11, and right up the road at Walgreens they was $11 a piece. So there you go. Anyway, I just thought you'd want to see that. So let me get these packages open here and let's get into it a little bit better. Okay, first up is the Astro Ratchet. As you can see, it's a 3/8 head and a 1/4 inch ratchet, a long ratchet. But look at this. I didn't notice this until I took it out of the package. Does that look bent? It looks bowed to me. See? Now it looks bowed this way. What's up with that? Whoops. I dropped it. Or I did drop it, but I caught it. As you can see right there, it says Astro Tools. It's not engraved or stamped in there or whatever you call it. Very good. Seems to be a pretty good ratchet though. What did it say? It was a 90 tooth? I don't know. Kind of concerned about that bend in it though. I don't know if I should send that back or just keep it. I'll probably just keep it. Anyway. We'll see. Hold that thought a minute and I'll get a regular ratchet to show you how small this is. Okay, this is a Matco ratchet, 3/8, kind of long. Look at this new one. It's longer, but look at the difference in the size of that thing. Big difference. All right, this is a Mac ratchet. There's a difference in it. Alright, snap-on ratchet. Shouldn't have to show you the name, everybody should know what that is by looking at it. But there you go. Anyway, I just wanted to compare it to a regular 3/8 ratchet. I know this is smaller because it's in a 1/4 inch body. I don't know if that means it's going to break easy. We'll find out, and then I'll let you know. Kind of not liking that curve. Anyway, let's get into the wrenches. You know, why even put this on here if it's going to have a hole in it? You know, I know it's so you can reach in there and touch the wrenches and everything, but that's kind of pointless. And the fancy package that it was in, again, kind of pointless. All that does is go to the garbage. The wrenches is what you're worried about, right? So let's get into it. And you see, let's see what's under the bottom. Just a piece of cardboard. You see, they're not going to fall out because they got this piece in the middle with screws in it that you got to take out that I didn't know about. So let me do that and I'll come back. Okay. They sure are trying hard to look like snap-on wrenches with the package and everything. Let me see if I can get this camera down here and see if it'll go down far enough to show you. See that? Sure trying to look like snap-on. Anyway, that being said, let's get the 19, the biggest one. Look how aggressive those teeth are in there. That's cool. Guess that's right. You know, one thing I noticed, I don't know. Anyway, these teeth in the 12-point side feel pretty sharp. Now, I was going to get the larger set too to go with this. I think it goes up to 24. But they don't have them in the anti-slip, so I didn't get them. And I also wanted to get the ratchet wrenches anti-slip, but if you look at the ratchet wrenches, they are not made like this. They don't come down into a V like these do. They're just U-shaped like a regular wrench, and the teeth in them are not as aggressive as these are. I don't know why there's a difference. If you ask me, they should have made them all the same. If they like the other design better, they should have made these that way. If they like these better, they should have made the other ones this way. I don't know. It's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about these Icon wrenches if you've used them. Put your thoughts down there in the comment section. Leave me a comment. Let me get the camera off of here and show you up close a little bit better of these things in the case here, or whatever, the holder. Now they go from 6 all the way to 19, no skips. That's a good thing. A lot of wrench sets skip sizes. I don't know why they do that. I hate that. But anyway, let's get the camera down and I'll show you these up close a little bit better. Okay, here they are. As you can see, sorry about all the glare from the light, but I'll try to block some of it. As you can see, they're copying Snap-on, or at least trying to. Now, are these the quality of Snap-on? I don't know. I haven't used them, so I couldn't tell you. They are, I'm assuming, made in Taiwan, and Snap-on's made in the USA, so you have that, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright, that's all I got for this video. I hope you liked it. I just wanted to show you these wrenches and my ratchet that I got from Astro. I did mention that, didn't I? It's from Astro Tools. Anyway, hopefully by the time this video comes out, I don't know when it's going to come out, I'll have time. We'll have had time to use these, and if I've had any problems with them, when the video comes out, I'll let you know in the comments. And if it's bad, may even do another video on them. Who knows? But like I always say, if I ever do have any problems with anything, I'll let you know in the comments. And I have before. Anyway, can't wait to get to use these and see how they work. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Like always, I'll see you in the next one.